Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Entity Framework Core, FCore, provides a powerful system for managing database migrations, which allows developers to keep their database schema in sync with their data model. Migrations are a way to incrementally update the database schema as your model changes. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to run database migrations in FCore, including setup, creating migrations, and updating the database. Prerequisites. Before you begin, ensure you have the following. 1. .NET SDK, make sure you have the .NET SDK installed. You can download it from the .NET website, https://net.microsoft.com/download. 2. IDE, you can use Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, or any other IDE that supports .NET. 3. FCore NuGet packages, ensure you have the necessary FCore packages installed in your project. Step 1, install FCore packages. You need to install the FCore packages via nuget. Open your terminal or package manager console and run. Step 2, create your data model. Create a simple model class. For example, let's create a blog and post model. Step 3, create the DB context. Next, define your DB context class that includes DB set properties for your models. Step 4, configure the DB context. In your startup.cs or program.cs, configure the DB context with your database provider. Step 5, enable migrations. To enable migrations, run the following command in the package manager console or terminal. This command creates a new migration file in the migrations folder with instructions for creating the initial database schema based on your model. Step 6, update the database. After creating your migration, you can apply it to the database using the following command. This command applies all pending migrations to the database, creating the necessary tables and relationships. Step 7, making changes and adding new migrations. Whenever you change your data model, follow these steps. 1. Update your model classes. 2. Create a new migration with. 3. Update the database with. Example of a new migration. Let's say you want to add a new property to the post class. After modifying the model, create a new migration. Then, update the database. Step 8, rolling back migrations. If you ever need to roll back to a previous migration, use. Summary. In this tutorial, we covered the essential steps for running database migrations in FCore, including setting up the project and installing necessary packages, creating data models and a DB context, enabling migrations and applying them to the database, managing changes in the data model with subsequent migrations. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your database schema as your application evolves.